Well guys, we're really excited today. We've got our brand new BT50 behind me. It's one of our brand new demo cars. We built this up as more of a good representation of what your everyday build is going to look like. Not something that's your game-changing 79. It's going to do everything you need it to do. It's going to take you the places you want to go. So we'll take you through, we'll show you everything that we've done to it. We'll show you everything to make it a really comfortable, nice tourer. So first things first, right up the front, we've got an ARB Summit bar in their black powder coat with the ARB Solus lights. Huge amount of light. We've also got their ARB base rack and their LED light bar at the top. Just really good, just all round good stuff. It's not crazy expensive, but the price for the quality is there. As we come around to the back, we've got our Deluxe Plus tray. So pretty standard setup for what we do. This will come with painted tray sides as well as the painted toolbox lid. Single piece high tensile floor sheet with a 43 litre water tank underneath. So it's a poly water tank. We actually get them made in Townsville. The drawer at the back is a fully sealed under tray drawer. So it actually slides back into its own enclosure. As you see with this one, we've actually relocated the radar sensors behind the toolboxes there. So they work as factory. There's no issues with them at all. As you would see on all of our Gen 2 trays, so the ones that we're going to do for your Hiluxes, your Rangers, your BT50s, D-Maxes, we do a single piece flared guard. And these are adjustable to suit the different wheel offsets that you are running, the different vehicle widths. You'd see on there, we're running 285/70 R17s, MAXXIS tyres. They're an AT. We like them a lot. I'm running the slightly more aggressive mud terrains on my Cruiser, and I'm very, very happy with them. ROH Assault wheels. I think they just finished this build off so nicely. They look great. We always get asked about what suspension kit we run in our vehicles, and it does depend. We trial a lot of different kits so that we can give the best answers towards our customers and give them the best options to run. This particular vehicle, we're running an ARB BP51 GVM upgrade. Gets us above 3,500, so heaps of payload left. Being mindful with your weights you can tow, and it's a great ride. It's adjustable suspension as well. This is one of our deluxe compact canopies. So compact meaning that it isn't longer than the length of the tray. It actually sits inboard, so your spares, your jerry can, your ladder don't overhang the rear. Now this is 1,500 long as a compact canopy. Being the deluxe model, it's configured with either a drop-down fridge slide or an upright fridge mount, this being the Bushman 130 litre upright, with the drawing table on this side, and we'll also have the large drawer on the driver's side, which I'll show you more of later. I'm a really big fan of the Bushman upright fridges. They save a lot of weight, they're really easy to use, and just nice in general. You know, little freezer up the top there as well, plenty of space for drinks and food. We don't really have any issues with cold air falling out or drinks rolling around the place or any of the other crap you see online. They just work. This one's configured with our REDARC Ultimate wiring package, which we've done a little bit of a refresh for 2022. So we do a 200 amp hour lithium battery, a 2000 watt inverter, and a REDARC Manager 30 with the new Red Vision screen in there as well. As standard with all of our wiring packages, we do hardcore lights in the doors, so they're a tricolor light, do your amber, your white, and your mixed, and they're dimmable as well. So as standard with our Deluxe Light, our Deluxe, and our Deluxe Dog Pod canopies, you're gonna have the table and drawer combination, your choice of fridge option, and we also have a choice of shelf depending on your fridge option. So we're gonna size that depending on if you're running an upright or a drop slide in there. Can also configure our drop down pantries, which we'll have a bit more information on later. We also have this table and drawer combo here. So table and drawer slides out independent of each other. Yes, we do include the stickers as standard. That is a pretty common question that we get. They're a pretty nice little thing. It just finishes it off well. Heaps of storage space in here. Nice little prep bench, tucks away and really easy to clean as well. We use a lot of induction cooktops when we go camping because this power system can support it, and that's an awesome space to put them on. Standard on all of our basic and deluxe models, aside from our 3-door canopy, you're going to have twin spare tyre holders on the back. Now we do have the option of a bolt-on jerry can holder, as you see here, and we do have our own jerry cans. So these are a 25 litre diesel jerry can. We also do a grey unit that is 25 litres for water. These are roto-molded poly design, again made in Townsville. Incredibly strong. They're going to last your lifetime. They're not the ones that you're going to pick up from the no-name stores down the road. As standard as well, you're going to have the drop-down ladder on the back, full roof rack on top. Now we can change the roof rack out for a longer roof rack, or we can do rooftop tent bars, or rooftop tent or a boat loader as well if you're looking at those options. So I'll quickly show you the drawer underneath the tray as well. So it's a 1200 long, fully dust sealed under tray drawer with its own internal support rib. So it slides back into its own enclosure. You're going to be able to load 200 kilos in here, no dramas at all, fully distributed. It's a great place to put, I find spare tools, spare parts, all that sort of stuff that you want to get to quickly when you need to. You can use it for whatever you need. Something we're really proud about is actually the ladder on the back of our canopies. There's a cool couple of little bits and tricks that we've got in here. So as you would see, it's got no latches. Just uses poly plates, and they clip and lock in. There's no rattles or anything like that, and no annoying catches on the side, stretch and inevitably fail anyway. It locks in, so you're not gonna go for a slide on it or anything like that. and then just locks back into place there. You'll also see that there is extrusion there. So you've got a fair bit of grip there on your shoes and on your hands. For 2022, we've updated our wiring packages as standard on our REDARC Ultimate, our EnerDrive Extreme, and our REDARC Platinum packages. We have the 15 amp in charging plug, so inlet. Basically like a caravan, you could pull up to a powered site, you could run a generator, or you could be at home with the canopy lifted off in the shed, keep the fridge running, keep the batteries topped up and charged. Just want to take a moment to talk about the paint finish that we do on our canopies. So it's not powder coat, it is 2-pack paint. We strive for the highest quality finish we absolutely can get. In that, it isn't a cheap finish, but look at the quality of it. It looks absolutely unreal. It's not gonna fade. You can touch it up, you can buff it, you can ceramic coat it, all things that you can't do with powder coat. So I'll show you inside the Deluxe canopy. So the difference between the Deluxe and the Deluxe Light is this drawer on this side. So the Deluxe has it, the Deluxe Light doesn't. It's a 1200 wide, single large drawer. Now, we often get asked, why go for a single large drawer? The truth is, you fit a hell of a lot more in there. There is still the weight loading in there, so 200 kilos again. And the nice thing about it is when it's closed, you can actually lock it. So you can key lock there, you can padlock there as well. That means that depending on the state, it conforms to safe storage for firearms as well. As standard with our canopies, we do have the uni strut on the roof, so you can pull the shelving around. We can do a few different options there. We do have a full tie down panel here as well, so you can strap down whatever you need to. And then you'll see with our REDARC Ultimate wiring package, we've got a 2000 watt inverter, same inverter that we use in our Platinum package as well. Very simple to use. Got a 12 volt outlet and twin USB outlets there as well. We really hope that you've enjoyed this pretty brief look around of our new BT50. Keep an eye out for socials. You'll see a lot more photos of this as we get it around at shows. We'll be visiting a few shows just at Townsville Expo over the weekend as well. If you've got any questions about this, feel free to jump into our DMs, send us an email, or if you want a quote on a build, jump on our website and submit a quote. Thanks for watching. Cheers.